The lecture is about social media marketing. So we will see how social media like Facebook, LinkedIn, WeChat, Line can be used to enhance the marketing strategy. And so we will see some general points about the evolution of social media marketing. What is social media marketing? How you can implement it, how you have to do an analysis to settle it up, and which are key performance indicators, KPIs, which can be used to measure the efficiency of social media marketing.
To finish the introduction, I would like to give you also the recommendation to read the book on which this course is based. The book is called Social Media Marketing, and the authors are Tracy Teuton and Michael Solomon. So I warmly recommend you to enhance your knowledge by reading this book.